Hello everyone, welcome back to Online Help Guide. Today in this video, I am going to show you how to disable Reel Remix on Instagram. So watch this video till the end. Instagram users, businesses and celebrities can all benefit from Reel Remixing features, but it's not something everyone wants to use. There may be more remixing as a result of the feature's growth, which would increase the amount of content for Instagram Reels. But not all Instagram creators may be open to having their video content used in this way. People who don't wish to take part must choose not to have their video remixed. So we can disable it too. So without further ado, let's get started. Open the Instagram app on your device. Go to your profile by clicking the bottom right icon. Tap the three-line menu symbol in the upper right corner. Tap on Settings. On Settings page, tap on Privacy. Tap on Reels and Remix. Move slide bar of Allow for Reels to left. So, this is how you can disable Reel Remix on Instagram. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedbacks. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon on our channel so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.